Hi, it's Ajoke Akewi. One beautiful thing about chanting is that it keeps evolving every day. Like, what was the norm yesterday? What was the standard of eulogy of Oriki yesterday? If you sit with it thinking, oh, you have arrived, you know all the eulogies. Before you know it, you're outdated. Like, you know nothing because research keep happening every day. People keep learning more. People keep digging out history about places. And that's our jobs as chanters. So I was just relaxing this evening and I came across this video of Okoto Akiri. Omokwe, let me shout out to you. So she was eulogizing someone from Oyo Alaafin. Then she said, Ibi tá àpẹran fínfín sí ńlá mọ̀ pé láàfin ọba ibi wọ́n pa kẹ̀mẹ́sàn sí ńlá mọ̀ pé lákẹ̀ẹ́sán lé. I was like, damn, I've never heard that before and it just makes sense. Like, wow, wow, wow. Nice one. Bye.